Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Monday, May 21st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting the day off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. The futures are trading higher by 15 points to 27.28 and a quarter per contract. All in all, the futures are getting a pretty big pop, and you can see it really happened last night, right when the futures opened up. And what's the catalyst? The catalyst is that the U.S. government or President Trump's administration has said that the trade war with China is suspended. So again, everything is on hold. We're wondering if this is just due to the North Korea deal, or is this really something that is closer to being worked out? So we'll see how it plays out. But all in all, it looks like the China trade war is suspended. Steve Mnuchin, Treasury Secretary, was on CNBC this morning. He talked about things being suspended. In fact, he used that word. So we'll see how it all plays out, and we'll see where it goes from here. Right now, futures, though, are higher by 15 points. All right, let's get into stocks in the news. We're going to start the day off with General Electric. General Electric right now trading at $15.40. That's a great pop for the stock. It closed at $14.97 yesterday. So nice little move there for GE. It looks like the news coming out is that the company will combine its transportation unit with another firm called WAB, and we'll push that ticker symbol up there, and you can see that's Wabtec Corp. So they're usually build railroads and stuff like that, but General Electric is going to combine their transportation unit with this company, Wabtec. So again, Wabtec right now trading at $96. This closed at $95.19, and General Electric getting a pretty good pop, trading right now at $15.39. The high of the session the stock closed at $14.97 on Friday afternoon. So all in all, GE is up higher, Wabtec is up a little bit, and it looks like the market likes that news so far. So we'll see how that plays out. But again, GE has been pretty strong as of late. All right, let's take a look at Google today. Google's in the news last night. It had a 60-minute, ran a piece on it showing how much power they have. Do they have a monopoly? Stock is trading up a little bit on the news on the back of it. It was down on Friday, knowing that the report was going to come out. Today, the stock is trading at $10.79. That's basically a $10 bounce from the close, which was $10.69. I don't think we're going to make too much out of it. Again, you can form your own opinion. We care about trading and levels, and right now, I don't think there's a whole lot to do in Google this morning. Let's take a look at some of these China-related stocks. First one you got to look at is Caterpillar. Caterpillar right now trading at $159.52. This closed at $155.71, so Caterpillar up a little bit. I think Cat's into a lot of resistance up here, so be a little bit careful. In fact, if you look at a daily chart, you can see wide range bar here at 160, maybe even a touch higher. So Caterpillar could go to 160, 161, but I think there's a lot of resistance at that level, so keep that on the radar. But nonetheless, it is a nice pop ahead of the opening bell on the back of China and U.S. suspending their trade tariffs. Next up, we want to take a look at ACIA. This was another one that was hit hard when President Trump put tariffs on ZTE. So again, right now you'll see this is trading at $34.25, closed at $33. So that's a nice little move there. You also have some semis moving on the news. Micron catching a nice little bid. Stock closed at $53.39, now trading at $56.07. So Micron continues to try to push higher. I think Nvidia is also up a little bit, NVDA, and you'll see that right now trading at $250, closed at $245.94. So you got some nice movements in a few of these different equities out here. Let's take a look here at Monroe. It looks like they're the only company that reported earnings this morning that I saw. So Monroe, used to be Monroe Muffler and Brake, right now trading right around $58 a share, closed at $56. So that's upticking a little bit. I don't know if this has much more upside past $59 though, so just be a little bit careful there. If it does go higher, lots of resistance around 61. Got a big gap window there as well, and you can see it here on the daily chart right around here. So be careful with Monroe up here at these levels, but nonetheless, stock's hanging in there, getting a little bump ahead of the earnings announcement. I think we also have a merger out here. It looks like Fifth Third is buying MBFI. Let's pull that one up. So MBFI getting a nice pop if you own this stock, which is MB Financial. You want to probably trail your stop loss or take profits. Stock closed at $43.65, now trading at $50.18. So big move there. Let's take a look at Fifth Third. FITB is the ticker symbol there. That's trading down around 31.50. Again, a lot of support around 28.5 if it gets there. So keep Fifth Third on the radar today. FITB gets to around 28.5. I don't know if that will happen, but if it does, that is a buying opportunity. All right, so keep that on the radar today. All right, we're going to switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. We'll start the morning off with gold futures. Gold futures right now trading down about $6 to $1,285.30 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD right now. That's trading at around 121.89. So again, good little sell-off in gold. Fair amount of support around 121 in the GLD if it does get there today. Let's go over to the USO and crude oil. Crude oil right now trading up 14 cents to $71.51 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF, track the movement in crude. That's trading at around 14.46. Closed at 14.43 on Friday. We're not going to make too much out of it. So you got oil ticking up a little bit, gold ticking down a little bit. Looks like we have some strength in the US dollar index. That right now is starting to fade, but it is still in positive territory right now at 93.65. Steve Mnuchin did comment on the dollar, saying, you know, in the long term they like a strong dollar. But again, that's just a politically correct thing to say, and we'll see how that plays out. Looks like bond yields right now are up 1 basis point, trading at 3.078%. So we got a lot of different things going on here today, but all in all, markets are still higher. Right now, futures up about 16 points ahead of the opening bell on the China trade deal, which is really no deal. It's just a suspended deal. So we'll see how that plays out when it all is said and done and the opening bell rings in a few minutes. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great session. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another good day on Friday. And again, we're going to look to continue our winning ways in 2018. And we've had a great year also in the Research Center. If you haven't done so, take a 7-day free trial to that as well. Get all of our swing trades, all of our reports in there. And it's been a great 2018. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.